In this video, I'll show you how to master Photopea from beginner to advanced. If you want to create professional quality designs and edit photos like an expert without paying for expensive software, this complete guide is for you. Let's start with the basics. Open your browser and go to **Photopea, **. You can create a new project by clicking **, file **, and new **, or edit an existing image by selecting file **, and open **. Photopea supports popular file formats such as PSD, JPG, PNG, SVG, PDF, XD, and many more. To master Photopea, begin by learning the essential tools. Practice using the *move tool *, crop tool *, brush tool *, text tool *, shape tool *, and the various selection tools *. These tools are the foundation of almost every design and photo editing project. Next, understand how *layers ** work. Layers allow you to edit different parts of your design independently without affecting the rest of the project. Learn how to duplicate, group, lock, rename, and organize layers to keep your workspace clean and efficient. As you become more comfortable, start using advanced features such as *layer masks *, adjustment layers *, blending modes *, smart objects *, and layer styles *. These tools help you create professional effects while keeping your edits flexible and non-destructive. Practice real-world projects like creating YouTube thumbnails, logos, banners, social media graphics, posters, and photo edits. The more projects you complete, the faster you'll improve your skills and workflow. Always save your editable work by clicking **, file **, and save as PSD**. When your project is complete, use *, file **, export as *, and choose the appropriate format such as *PNG**, JPG**, or WebP** for sharing online. The secret to mastering Photopea is consistent practice. Spend a little time each day learning new tools, keyboard shortcuts, and editing techniques. Over time, you'll be able to create professional designs quickly and confidently, and that's how you can master Photopea from beginner to advanced. If this complete guide helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Photopea tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.